Hey guys, just a quick overview of the Royal Kludge keyboard. As you can see here, it's a 65% keyboard. This is the side profile. It has no tilt legs or stand. It's tilted by default. And at the back of the keyboard, you will see two external USB ports, which you can use to power other devices. But note that you can only use this in wired mode. Aside from that, on the other side, it's empty and clean. But at the bottom of the keyboard is the branding. It says RK68. And on the top right part, you will see the USB wireless dongle. It's magnetically attached. And then on the bottom left part, you will see the on and off switch. And this is the Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz mode. So aside from that, this keyboard is also comes with a removable frame. The frame is not magnetic though, so it just snaps into place. And once you remove it, it's a floating style keyboard and actually much smaller. Aside from that, it also comes with a USB-C cable that's quite long, a keycap or key switch puller, because this is a hot swappable keyboard, and the brown switch that it came with. It came with four extra switch, I believe. And well, aside from that, I think that's everything else that you need to know about the physical look of this keyboard. I haven't found the software for this device yet because it's relatively new. It's the 2021 version of the RK68. Alright, well, that's it. Thank you for watching.